Oh shit, hey guys. How's it going?
So we're finally in Sheffield. Sheffield is like a whole different vibe from London. Like a very old blue collar town. I don't know why they decided to have a meet here, but we are at the gym now. Like I just showed you guys. It is like freezing cold in this gym. And I feel like I'm in a Rocky movie right now. I'm in the bathroom right now because your boy has to unload. But like, I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like when I get out of here. Bro, I'll actually show you guys right now. Hold on. This shit looks so great. This is the back room. It's like a horror video game. But I'm like actually scared right now. So I'm gonna have to prepare my mind and body for this deadlift session coming up in a minute. But this is like, I've never been in a place like this before ever.
Is actually broken. Like like it feels like the fucking spine is being pulled out.
Give it on!
Dude, I'm so fast.
All right, so we're actually on our David Goggins grind right now because it is Saturday morning in Sheffield, 5 a.m. And our initial plan was to wake up early in the morning to go train at the gym to get our SPD day out of the way so that we can go see Sheffield. But like something about the apartment last night, it was just way too hot and uncomfortable in there. And me and Grant just both woke up at like 4:30 and we're like, we can't go back to sleep. So now our asses are fucking walking to McDonald's in the middle of the night, go get fuel to go get a 6 a.m. train to go get the session in.
Freezing cold, but the legs don't get cold. So
yeah, we don't have shorts on.
We're gonna do a
just
cold
saying, fuck it.
We're gonna jump in the fucking river.
We're gonna hop in the river that we just walked by on the way back to prepare the body for the squat. And we had to leave Steve behind because he needed his beauty sleep. And we had to like steal the keys out of his bag. And then we trapped him in the door. We got a nightstand and put it under his doorknob so he couldn't open his doorknob and let himself out. Which is perfect if you ask me. We ended up in the wrong part of Sheffield. We got glory holes over there, a golf club for adults.
Glory holes is wild.
Dude, tell them about the McDonald's that we just walked into.
You walk up, and there's a dude at the bus stop who's like trying to do pull-ups on the fucking like
5 a.m. in the morning, doing pull-ups off the awning.
He did 2 reps, by the way. But anyways, so that was fucking weird. We see like 3 people out front, homeless people. They got blankets on and shit. They're asking for change. We walk in. There's actually a good amount of people there. Everyone is sketchy as fuck.
Very sketchy, dude.
Like,
I thought I was in Pirates of the Caribbean.
Like, these are some weird blokes, mate. Like,
yeah,
they're sketch. And there's this dude sitting on the ground with like 2 employees next to him. and like blood is just gushing down his forehead and his face.
Yeah, he had his head
The
split
front of
open
his head
somehow.
was like split open, like he just got into a street fight.
It was actually
Secret
fucking
refuge at
crazy.
McDonald's.
Yeah, it was actually insane. I don't know, but dude, there were some hooligans in there.
Dude, so we're running away.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So we're about to burst in through the door and tell Steve, wake the fuck up. It's time to go to the gym.
He's not gonna like it.
He's not going to like it one bit, but it's too bad because I got him breakfast. Almost size? I guess they are. I feel like the sandwiches are smaller since we're in the UK.
Everything's smaller here, including the people.
I don't remember the people are smaller as well. I don't remember the last time I ever had. I don't remember the last time I had a McDonald's.
20 years ago.
20 years ago today. Snapchat memory.
When you think about it, we're gonna get those someday.
Yeah, that's why I use Snap. I don't be snapping people like,
I don't either.
but I take memories on the Snapchat so I can be like 50 years ago today. I can do laundry, but they don't have a dryer here, which I love. So I put all my clothes on a drying rack with this fan right in front of the dryer to just air dry everything. I also I pushed out early access for Stiff Sleeve. So if you guys sign up for the newsletter, you guys should have gotten a checkout email to be able to access the site early. If you guys copped, I appreciate all of your guys' support. I'm going to be reposting everyone on Instagram who decides to shop. But yeah, the actual release is going to be like 3 p.m. in the afternoon today, which equates to 10 a.m. Central since the UK is like 5 or 6 hours ahead. That's all I gotta say. 2 flights here? Yeah. Okay. Race against time. We're about to run. We're about to miss this train. We're about to miss it.
We're having a David Goggins workout right now.
Yeah. All right. Sprint to the train station. Sprint to the gym.
Well, we haven't seen the sun once.
Yeah.
It's being here at all. But it's also dark.
The sun. Yeah. I mean, it's dark out right now, but the sun also has not been out since we came to the UK.
Sorry that 06:30 Northern service to Huddersfield.
Ow! Dude. Oh, I just smacked my shin so hard.
knew he could do it. He was passing, bro. Dude, I know he does, bro. Here it is!
You got this! All yours! Your way! Let's go!
Holy shit!
Final answer!
Sheffield, are you ready? This is everything, and the bar is loaded!
Alright, y'all. That was the Sheffield trip / UK vlog. Not sure how much I have to vlog, but I mean, this video is just going to be a series of sporadic clips just stitched together. But if you guys enjoyed the video, I appreciate you guys tuning in to the very end. We have a big week 4 coming up, and Stiff Sleeve just dropped, so there's a lot going on, but a lot to look forward to. And Worker is coming. I want to talk to you guys a bit more about that in a future video from now, but like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.